Hi everyone. Last time we have seen reactions of haloalkanes with active metals. Now we are going to see, and with that we have seen two reactions of haloarenes with active metals. That means we have seen Wood's fatigue reaction and fatigue reaction. Okay, we can also say that two reactions like reactions of haloarenes with active metals. Okay, now we are going to see nucleophilic substitution of haloarenes. Okay, now see nucleophilic substitution. Already benzene ring is electron rich species, and how the nucleophile will substitute the haloarenes. Okay, so for this we have to remind first resonating structures or resonance in haloarenes. Okay, for that we have considered here example of chlorobenzene. Okay, now every halogen atom contains lone pairs of electrons. Okay, and that lone pair of electrons are available for donation, or we can say they are in conjugation with double bond of aromatic ring or pi bonds of aromatic ring. Okay, so if the lone pair of electron is given to this double bond, okay, see, let me made a latest little bit large structure. Okay, if we have considered here Cl, okay, and this is the lone pair of electron on chlorine. Now this lone pair of electron will delocalize here, and due to that this pi bond will goes to ortho position of carbon atom. Okay, and it forms a resonating structure like this. That means positive charge will develop on chlorine atom and negative charge will develop on aromatic ring. Okay, so we can draw resonating structures for the chlorobenzene, okay, by shifting or by delocalization of pi electrons. Okay, and finally the structure will comes like this. Only the positions of pi bonds can be changed. Okay, now this is the first reason behind the reactivity towards nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes, and second one reason is that the sp2 hybrid state of carbon atom. Okay, now the resonance structure of second, third and fourth, that is this one is second, third and fourth, show double bond character between carbon and chlorine atoms. Okay, and due to this double bond between carbon and chlorine atom, the bond becomes stronger. Okay, we have seen carbon carbon double bond is weak bond, then that of carbon carbon double bond, then that of carbon carbon triple bond. The which one is the strong bond? Carbon carbon triple bond is the strong bond. Okay, and therefore the bond length in this, now carbon chlorine bond length is larger than that of the bond length in carbon double bond chlorine, and therefore this bond is shorter than that of the haloalkene. Okay, now we'll see, and due to this positive charge on chlorine and negative charge on aromatic ring, now the compounds will show or unstable, and therefore they are having a lowest tendency towards the nucleophilic attack. But if the aromatic ring also contains, besides the chlorine atom, if it also contains any electron withdrawing group, that is a nitro group, if it contains nitro group, or if it contains cyanide group, or if it contains COOH, that is carboxylic acid group, or if it contains any carbonyl group, that is electron withdrawing group, then these haloalkanes will become active towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, so we'll see the examples of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now first is we have taken here chloronitrobenzene, okay, and para nitrochlorobenzene. Okay, so now we have seen ortho position, meta position and para position. Okay, if they are on first and second carbon atom, this derivative is called as ortho derivative. If the substituent are present at 1 and 3rd carbon atom, then it is called as meta position, and if the substituents are present on 1st and 4th position, then it is called as para derivative. Okay, so first upon we'll see the reaction for the para nitrochlorobenzene. Okay, now we are going to see first one upon hydrolysis. Okay, that is the we are going to substitute Cl by OH. Okay, that means the OH minus is a nucleophile. Okay, and the reaction is carried out at 433 Kelvin, followed by hydrolysis. It gives para nitrophenol. Okay, we know very well that if the hydroxyl group or hydroxide group is attached to benzene ring, it is called as phenol. Okay, therefore this structure is called as phenol, and at the para position nitro group is present, the name of the compound is 4-nitrophenol. Okay, now see, we have to remember here, stronger is the electron withdrawing group attached to aromatic ring, higher will be the rate of reaction for the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, also we can say, as the number of electron withdrawing groups attached to aromatic ring increases, the rate of reaction also increases. Okay, so simple example we have taken here again for the hydrolysis of aromatic ring. Okay, or haloarenes. Now see, chlorobenzene, which contains nitro group at 2nd and 4th position. Okay, now we'll see. Here we have taken the reaction with sodium carbonate at 403 Kelvin, or hydrolysis in presence of protonated water, or we can say it as a what, H3 plus. Okay, now the OH minus attacks at this chlorine atom, and chlorine will moves out from the aromatic ring. Okay, and we'll get the compound. Now same, this is the phenol and nitro group, it present at 2nd and 4th position, therefore it is called as 2,4-dinitrophenol. Okay, now we'll see the same example if the 3 nitro groups are attached on the haloarenes. Okay, now see here, chlorobenzene, and it contains 3 nitro group, 2 at ortho position and 1 at para position. Okay, and if we numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, therefore the name of compound is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. And simple warm with H2O or water, it gives 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Okay, and this 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, it is also called as picric acid. Picric acid. Okay, now why it is called as picric acid? Now it contains how much? 3 nitro group, and nitro groups are strong electron withdrawing groups, and due to these 3 strong electron withdrawing groups, this hydrogen will become strongly acidic, and therefore it is called as picric acid. Okay, now simply remember one thing. Okay, now before this we carried out 2 reactions. First for chlorobenzene containing only 1 nitro group. Second we carried out for chlorobenzene which contains 2 nitro group. Okay, and third we carried out which contains 3 nitro group. Okay, now see the reaction condition here. Temperature is 433 Kelvin, here 403 Kelvin, and we have written therefore 2,4,6 trinitrochlorobenzene, that is only warm. Okay, that means the temperature is not mentioned there. Okay, that means simple heating, it gives a picric acid or 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Now this is due to the presence of these nitro groups. Now this compound contains only 1 nitro group, this contains 2 nitro groups, and this compound contains 3 nitro group. Okay, and as the number of nitro group increases, reactivity of haloarenes increases, and therefore the reactivity of this compound is more than that of the 2 to 4 dinitrochlorobenzene and 4 nitrochlorobenzene, and therefore it requires the less heating or less temperature. Okay, now we'll see simple, if there is no any electron withdrawing group is present. Okay, now see chlorobenzene. Okay, without any electron withdrawing group, how much temperature we have to give here? Now it is a 426 Kelvin, and pressure is also higher, that means the 300 atmosphere, and hydrolysis is carried out. Okay, and then we'll get the phenol. That means if, or we can say, in absence of electron withdrawing group at haloarenes, it needs a higher temperature and pressure conditions, or simply we can say the rate of reactivity of haloarenes towards nucleophilic substitution is slowest or lower one. We'll see the next electrophilic substitution at aryl halides. Okay, or we can say haloarenes. Okay, now before this we have to see electrophilic substitution of aryl halides. Now we have seen, okay, this is the halo. Now if we considered here X as a haloarenes or aryl halides, okay, we know that very well this. Okay, now lone pair is available to delocalize in aromatic ring, and we can draw the resonating structures for halobenzene. Okay, now that means the halogen possesses plus R effect, that is electron donating resonance effect. Electron donating resonance effect. Okay, now with resonance effect, halogen also shows inductive effect due to the electronegativity of halogen atoms. Now halogen atoms withdraws electrons from the aromatic ring, okay, by inductive effect, that is it possesses minus I effect, and in case of halogens, minus I effect is dominant than that of plus R effect, and therefore haloarenes shows electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, and in case of chlorine, same, the minus I effect is powerful than that of plus R effect. Okay, and due to this plus R effect, the ortho and para positions, this one is also ortho, this is para, and this is ortho. Okay, that is two ortho position and one para position. Okay, so electrophilic substitution takes place at this ortho and para position. Okay, and therefore due to C, and due to the steric hindrance, this para position shows greater reactivity towards the electrophilic substitution reaction than the ortho position. Okay, so we have to remember these 2 points regarding the electrophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes. Simply first one we can see the halogenation of chlorobenzene. Okay, see first one upon chlorobenzene. Now for the halogenation generally we are using X2. Okay, now chlorination, we are going to see chlorination in presence of anhydrous FeCl3, or we can say if chlorobenzene is treated with chlorine in presence of anhydrous FeCl3 as a catalyst, it gives ortho and para dichlorobenzene. Okay, and out of that one para derivative is major one, or the amount formed or the quantity formed of para derivative is higher one, and therefore the major product is para-dichlorobenzene, or IUPAC name we can give them as a 1,4-dichlorobenzene, and we have to write their minor product also 1,2-dichlorobenzene. Okay. Now second one, nitration. Now here for the nitration we have to remember nitrating mixture. What is the nitrating mixture? Mixture of concentrated H2SO4. Mixture of concentrated H2SO4 and concentrated HNO3. Concentrated HNO3, that is the mixture of concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid. It is called as nitrating mixture. Okay, if chlorobenzene is heated with nitrating mixture, or we can say concentrated HNO3 and concentrated sulfuric acid, will get nitrochlorobenzene. Or now also in this case also nitro group will comes to ortho position and para position. Now here it is at the para position and here it is at the ortho position, and before this I told nitro at the para position will be major product and nitro group at ortho position will be minor product. Okay, and the name alphabetically and IU, that means the according to IUPAC nomenclature system we have to write the IUPAC name in alphabetical order or by using alphabets. Therefore the name of compound is 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene. Okay, and here the name of compound is 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene. Okay, now same we have to write for the sulfonation. Okay, now for the sulfonation, when the chlorobenzene is treated with sulfuric acid, and here we have to remember here fuming sulfuric acid, not a liquid sulfuric acid. When it is heated, that is when chlorobenzene is heated with fuming sulfuric acid, will get 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid and 1-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Okay, now why the name is here sulfonic acid? Okay, now see, this concentrated sulfuric acid produces the electrophile, and that electrophile is sulfur trioxide. Okay, and see here the substituted group is SO3H. Okay, and SO3H is nothing but the sulfonic acid. If SO4 is there, SO4, then it is called as a sulfuric acid, that means H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Okay, but we have written here SO3H to the aromatic ring, therefore this compound is sulfonic acid. That means we can say when chlorobenzene is treated with fuming sulfuric acid, will get 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid and 1-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. That means here we have mentioned here 4 is the position of sulfonic group, and here 4 is the position sorry 2-chlorosulfonic acid and 4-chlorosulfonic acid. Here 2-chlorosulfonic acid and 4-chlorosulfonic acid. Okay, so we have seen 3 electrophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes. Now we are going to see famous one reaction, that is the Friedel-Crafts reaction. Now here in Friedel-Crafts reaction, 2 reactions are there. First one is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation, that means the one hydrogen is substituted by alkyl group. Okay, and second one is Friedel-Crafts acylation, that is one hydrogen is substituted by CH3C double bond O group, that means this is acyl group. Okay, if the hydrogen atom is substituted by alkyl group, then it is called as Friedel-Crafts alkylation. and if it is substituted by the acyl group, then it is called as Friedel-Crafts acylation, and the both reactions are carried out in presence of Lewis acid as a catalyst. And Lewis acid means the electron accepting species or molecule. It is called as a Lewis acid. For example, AlCl3, anhydrous AlCl3 or anhydrous FeCl3. Okay, we'll see the reaction. See, when haloarenes treated with alkyl chloride or acyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 as a catalyst gives alkylated haloarene or acylated haloarene respectively. That means when chlorobenzene is treated with alkyl chloride in presence of AlCl3, it will give 1-chlorotoluene. Okay, now remember this compound, if the CH3 group is attached to benzene ring, this compound is called as toluene. It is called as toluene. Okay, and therefore the name of compound is 1-chlorotoluene, and this is the name of compound is 4-chlorotoluene. Okay, now see, for the acylation reaction, when chlorobenzene is treated with acyl chloride, or we can also say it as a what, acid chloride or acid chloride, acid chloride, or also we can say it as a what, acetyl chloride, acetyl chloride. Okay, we can write there acyl chloride also, then acid chloride also, then acetyl chloride also. Don't be confused if the name is changed. Okay, now the question is asked for any three of these. Okay, when chlorobenzene is treated with acyl chloride or acetyl chloride or acid chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, it gives 1-chloroacetophenone, acetophenone. Now this compound, okay, if the C double bond O CH3 is attached to benzene ring, then it is called as acetophenone. Okay, and at it contains the chlorine atom. Okay, therefore it is called as 2-chloroacetophenone and 4-chloroacetophenone. Okay, see, these are the examples of electrophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes. Okay, so we have completed this chapter of halogen derivatives. Okay, next time we will start the new chapter of chemistry. So till that, thank you.